may I help you?
Yes, can I have 120 chicken nuggets?
120 chicken nuggets?
Yes, please. Yo guys, what is up? Sir Little Man here, and today I'm gonna try to eat 120 chicken nuggets. This challenge was originally inspired to me by LA Beast. I saw him do it first, then my buddy Big Dots TV did it. He got 40, I believe, and LA Beast got 110. So I'm gonna try to beat LA Beast with 120. Other than that, I'm freaking starving for chicken nuggets, that's for sure. I'm smelling them in my car, not being able to eat them until now. I'm kind of excited. So here I go. Oh, I'm just gonna close these boxes for now. 120 chicken nuggets. The first of 120. Here I go. I like them. I like them a lot. I've actually been dieting and I'm trying to eat as few calories as possible, and this isn't helping. Oh, goodness gracious. Sorry about no prank this week. I was thinking of doing a prank, but I never got to it. So I thought I'd just do a challenge. Hope you guys enjoy this just as much. Comment if you have any prank ideas for me to do, because I'm back in the game. I'm going at it weekly. I'll try to get as many videos up as I can in a week, but the most probably will be like 2 maybe in 1 week, but I'm gonna try to do my best. So leave me any suggestions about prank ideas in the comments. I'll be reading them. Sauces, man. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. I can't even enjoy them anymore because I'm just trying to eat them rapidly and scurry them all in my mouth. Ugh. I don't think I ever had McDonald's honey sauce, but now I'm going with the buffalo. I love their buffalo sauce. Oh no. Oh God, I'm struggling early. This is 40. So first 40 was pretty good. I mean, it wasn't too bad, but let's get a little bit more intense, I'll tell you that. Oh. Mind over matter. Mind over matter. Oh. Oh, this is not feeling good. Definitely not gonna try to puke, because the one time I puked in my YouTube video got taken down, so I'm not going to puke. Oh, for heaven's sake. Oh. Oh no. Oh, that felt better. Oh man. Tell me in the comments what sauce is your guys' favorite sauce. I like sweet and sour, but I think I like the hot buffalo or spicy buffalo more. Oh goodness. Dude, I'm freaking stuffed. Oh no. I don't even feel good. Jeez. It's like I'm really stuffed, like incredibly full right now. But I can tell that I'm gonna be like hungry probably like 3 hours from now. This is not helping the diet. I weigh like 117, 120. Probably now though, I'm gonna weigh even more. Definitely, I'm gonna weigh more. Oh goodness. Oh man, I can't give up. I can't give up. I can't give up. Oh no. Oh no. Was this 50 here? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh goodness. Oh, that does not. Oh goodness. Oh, all right. That was 50. Or no, this is 50. Oh, okay. Oh, I feel better now. Oh, my stomach's about to burst, dude. Oh, I don't think I'm ever eating chicken nuggets again. Oh. I think that's it. Wow. Oh. Oh. I consumed 53. That's if they counted correctly, because there's only 7 in this box. I already ate 5, 10 pieces. Oh, my stomach does not feel that great at all. I ate 53 chicken nuggets. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up for me. Helps me out a lot. But until then, guys, I'll see you next time. Deuces. Oh.